So suddenly, swiftly, spontaneously, this started playing. There was no choice for it to happen or for it not to happen. No agreement was given, no possibility to have a choice for this life to start playing. There wasn't even nothing, no darkness, no silence, no peace, no anger, not even nothing there was. Suddenly, innocently, life started playing. There was no separated me already waiting for this to happen. No separated solid me there to give an agreement or a disagreement for this to start. It all just simply started innocently, effortlessly, spontaneously. Nothing has changed. Everything has changed. Nothing is happening. And everything is happening at the same time. There's just this innocent dance. The dance of life. Dancing, shifting, morphing. Dancing free like the wind. Carrying a leaf. Innocently like the rain falling. There's no separated solid you or me apart from this beautiful dance, this innocent movement. Nothing is moving, everything is moving. There's no way to escape whatever seems to be happening. Even the idea that there is an escape, or the sense that there is a you able to escape this, to go beyond this, is already inescapable. There's no separated solid you apart from this beautiful, innocent stream of life. Just life, and not even. And one so-called day, this life will stop, as far as it will seem. Bodies will decompose, but nothing will happen for you as a separated being. Nothing will change for you, as there's no you apart from whatever seems to be happening. And at the same time, the sense or the belief or the feeling there is a you is this already just life and nothing else. And the sense of being a person, being a body, being a mind amongst other so-called bodies and minds may just simply crumble and shift into the so-called next belief, next idea, next story, next concept. And there's no you to do anything about it. And at the same time, trying to hold on to thoughts, beliefs, ideas, stories may happen as innocently as the rain falling and the wind blowing. The trying to get the story straight, to find the truth, the need to find the truth may just simply crumble, and what is left is what always already was, just simply the directness of whatever seems to be happening. Thoughts arising, needs dissolving, conclusions being made, preferences, likes, dislikes. It all dances freely, innocently, effortlessly, until it simply crushes back into nothing, into everything, and not even. There's nothing apart from this to crush into something else. It's all just simply languaging. There's no way around it. There's no you existing as a separated being outside this innocent stream of thoughts, beliefs, ideas, claims, conclusions, assumptions, painting a world of objects, of things, of a you, amongst other things, amongst other beings. But that itself is already not separated. It's already complete, it's already whole, it's already just what it is. And not even just more ideas, more beliefs, until it just simply fades, stops,